guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Tamita from Lavish Beauty Salon and Spa located in Elmont. Today I'm going to show you how I achieve a roller set look doing a silk press on my client. So when it comes to silk press, there are several options that you could have for your finished look. Some people just like their hair straight, where it's just bone straight. Others like a bump. Some like it curled and then pin curl for tighter curls. And others, like my client today, like it when it looks like a roller set. So as you can see, I'm going in with the flat iron. Angle is everything. And as soon as I finish curling the hair, I hold it for about a second to allow the hair to cool down so that the curls hold. Usually I'll wrap the hair after I curl it and then put the client underneath the dryer for the hair to cool down and set. But being that she's going for a more combed out roller set look, I'm just going to cool the hair down in my hand while I curl it. As you can see, I'm also curling the hair at an angle, and I'm doing it in the way I want her curls to fall. Right now we're doing it towards her face and want a lot of movement, a lot of body in the back, but I definitely want it to flow. So you see me curling the hair and actually twisting the angle while I curl it. Well, there you have it, guys. Nice, juicy, bouncy curls looking like I just took rollers out. And as you know, I did not. Well, let me know what you think about this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Your comments will definitely be appreciated. And until next time, have a great day.